Take the A Train is one of the most commonly called jam session tunes, and for good reasons. It's a brilliant tune to learn if you are new to jazz and you want something to get you started with improv, comping, that kind of thing, and one that's great to play over if you're an experienced jazz player or if you've been playing a little bit longer and want to get some fresh ideas. It's always a good workout tune because that A section is used in many other different jazz standards. So in this course, I'm aiming to either give you some new ideas if you've already been playing this, or if you're completely new to it, I'll kind of get you playing it using some simple ideas, and then it will build up to more advanced concepts. I begin by doing a harmonic analysis like I do with all of these, so you've got an easy way to memorize the chords, and then we're going to look at a couple of different rhythm studies. One that uses 3-note chords, which sounds like this. We're also going to look at another comping study, which has chords that are on the top 4 strings that you can use if you're playing with bass and drums, which sounds like this. Following that, I'm going to move you on to looking at some different ways to improvise over this tune. We're going to be looking at a classic Ella Fitzgerald solo, which has some great ways to play over each of the chords and some beautiful ideas. But I'm also going to show you how you can kind of play over a tune like this. Using blues ideas too, so you don't always have to kind of think literally over the chords. You can also just think kind of swing. And you can do the chords as well if you like. But the idea is to kind of give you both approaches so that you've got them covered, so that when you're improvising, you can kind of dive in and out of these. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in and you want to kind of expand your skill and your knowledge on this tune, then this course should help you kind of get more confident at playing Take the A Train.